Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing very well. So today is another tutorial, another eyeliner tutorial. Yes, if you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribe. And a very big thanks to all my returning and my new subscribers. I appreciate you guys for keep on turning in. May God bless you all. Or you can place your liner when drawing it, so you place it this way or you place it the other way. So you curve it, you don't need to make it straight. So I'm using liquid pen eyeliner. So with liquid pen eyeliner is good for the beginner. It will just like direct you to do whatever you want to do. That is good for beginner eyeliner. So you can as well use gel, use whatever you want to use is okay. But for beginner, this water pen eyeliner is the best for beginner. So you just draw the wing and connect it to your inner corner of your eyes. Make it blend it to your inner corner and continue. Then you get the perfect look you want. You can make it wide, you can make it thin, depend how you want it. That how you will create it, thin or wide, big liner. So I started filling it, start filling the gap for the wing. So that is what I'm doing. Even though you make mistake, there is no problem. You can as well use your concealer to clean it up. It's okay. So I'll do the same thing the other side. Draw the wing first, and then I will also connect it to the inner corner, make it a little bit wide from the wing. That wing is always like a little bit wide. So before you start create the inner corner, blending it out, draw the inner corner. If you want it wide, as I said before, or big, as I said before, you can make it big. So because I want to do simple one, not so loud, just thin, tiny. So yeah. So I'm looking both sides. Like this side is more more better. So I go back to the first place, try to blend it together to go, for both of them to go well. Yeah, so I just let me do my water eyeliner. So that is what I'm just doing now. Just add it to it, So I'm using my mascara to raise up my natural lashes, before I will pop the first lashes. So I just add lashes to it, to make it pop. And don't mind the other lashes that is trying to remove. Let's just pretend we did see something like that. We did see the lashes, let's just concentrate on the liner, eyeliner. So that is it. I hope you guys love it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, share with friends and family. If you are not yet subscribed, please consider to subscribe, support your girl. So that is the end of this video. See you guys on my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Love you all. Bye.
a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back.